this morning we woke up and it was like sleet snowing when we got out. So we decided, well, we'll just forego suffering on the trail right away. And we went and ate breakfast at the Coffee Pot restaurant, which was okay. I shouldn't have got biscuits and gravy. I guess they're known for omelets and I should have done that. And Ashley got just like a waffle. So again, we didn't get anything that was like too astronomically amazing.
The warm coffee was good.
The warm coffee was good for us. And so anyways, then we did that, and then now we're here getting ready to start hiking the trail, and it's 7:30, so out a little bit later than normal, but at least it's not raining. And you can see there's a beautiful sunrise happening over there. So this is the Munds wagon trail, and the goal is to go to Merry-Go-Round Rock. So let's see what cool things we get to find today. Was I really that hidden? So far, what do you think?
It's really pretty. It's very different
than
the other trails we've gone on.
I do. I like this trail. We've got
it's more like wilderness.
It feels more like it, yeah. There's not as many people, so that's nice. We saw some people this morning, but they're apparently really good hikers and they've gotten pretty far ahead. So that's good. All right, so we just got done taking pictures at a very pretty waterfall right there. And we were in a bunch of pictures with some guys in Jeeps. So like Ashley said, they're suckers because they should have hiked. Instead, they decided to Jeep, so we get priority. Oh boy. But this is why you Jeep right here. Otherwise, you got to cross that. All right. And we can't go around it. You can do it. You gotta step. You gotta trust yourself. That rock won't move.
This one?
Yeah.
This is that one?
Yeah, you're gonna go to that one, then you'll be good. You'll have plenty of stability. You can do it.
Right foot, left foot, right foot.
However you want to do it, yeah. You're good, you got it. Just trust yourself, yeah. Then get that other foot to that rock. Yep. Yep. Yep.
It's really hard when you have short legs.
Well, you did great.
Oh,
with the snow. You can't even see it on this GoPro.
you like can't even like. Oh, it's so great. Wow. It's like winter wonderland, but make it desert style.
Desert winter wonderland. You know, everybody's focused on the subway cave and
Yeah, this is
birthing
what
cave.
I like finding. It's like the hidden gems.
And I've seen people posted about this trail and they're like, yeah, this is probably one of the best hikes in Sedona, but nobody really knows about it, but that's okay. And when we get to Merry-Go-Round Rock, it's going to be amazing looking. So I'm excited. Oh, look at this little stream crossing. That's so fun. Oh, look at that. Oh, so pretty. Yep. Yep. That one wibbles a little bit, but it's not bad. Just put your feet on both of those rocks. Or that, yep. So that little one, you're good. Yep, yep. And then that little one, do it quick. See that little one in front of you? Yeah, just do it really quick. Put your toe on it and get your heel up. Yep. Get your other foot over. Good. Do it. Swing it over. Yeah.
I need longer legs.
So definitely not disappointed. A lot of cool little stream crossings. And we continue on our way to Merry-Go-Round Rock. But it's an out and back. We're looking at being done in about 2.5 to 3 hours. If All Trails is telling me the truth, but it's hard to do that when every single time you turn around you see stuff like this. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Job. Yeah, time to cross. Jeeps. cramping my style. Makes it kind of feel like we're being observed though, you know, like we're in a amusement park, like the animals. We're migrating. They're just along. To your right, you'll see some hikers. Aren't you glad you spent the money to get to this location? And you didn't have to do this long hike. From this point, they'll have to walk about another 3 hours before they get to their car. And we'll be there in 15 minutes.
Wow, look at all the snow.
I know. The only thing is they don't get to see this stuff. Look at that. That's awesome. Look at that. All right, well, we hit the merry-go-round rock. There's a lot of tourists here. We're a tourist though, so I guess that makes sense. But we actually hiked. Everybody else took a Jeep. Otherwise, we'd be the only ones here. There's even a helicopter out over there. And yeah, views are just gorgeous. I mean, look at that. There's Sedona down there and the rocks all around. There's like 3 different easy formations. There's this bigger one where if it was just me, then I'd probably jump on top of that. And for right now, Ashley has at least climbed on that rock with me. We got a really cool picture. I could even, you know, it's just, oh, wow. That's pretty. Very, very pretty. But now we're gonna make our hike back and everybody else is gonna ride back. So it's one of the benefits of the Jeep, but we're gonna see some cool stuff along the way. So let's go see what we got. All right, well, we're hiking back and it's snowing, kind of. It's like that hard rain like we had the other day.
Not as bad.
Not as bad, but you definitely can see it in the mountains up there. All right, so we were on the Mexican sombrero looking thing right over there. That was merry-go-round. And yeah, the trail takes you all the way around. You can get to the top, take a really cool picture. But we just hiked all that across streams. And now we're about 15 minutes from the car.
Bless.
And Ashley's tired. I'm gonna give
blisters.
him a massage. She has blisters.
My ankles are bleeding.
Her ankles are bleeding.
Lost a toenail.
She's lost a toenail. But we made an amazing hike. I'm so proud of us. Trail 78. Munds wagon to merry-go-round loop. Done.